Good evening, students. Today, I am going to talk about how to prepare an environmental study project report. Everyone sit down with paper and pen. Students, I will explain how to mention the key points. You have to expand the points according to the field study. Project report, example, and best practices, environmental studies. Securing the future of Manas National Park, the World Heritage Site, environmental issues and challenges. Introduction. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of Assam in northeast India, a biodiversity hotspot covering an area of 39,100 hectares. Manas Game Sanctuary was declared as Wildlife Sanctuary. Next point is origin and importance of the problem. Manas was declared as World Heritage Site Natural by UNESCO for outstanding universal values. Manas became a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. Next point is major animal species in Manas National Park. Major animal species in Manas National Park. Here are the names. If you take a screenshot, it will be easier to write. Then species of birds include Bengal florican, hornbills, pelicans, falcons, etc. Next key point, some common tree species in Manas National Park. Here, students, here are the names. If you take a screenshot, it will be easier to write. Fauna in Manas National Park. The park has rich wildlife where a large number of animals and birds coexist. As per the record, there are approximate 450 species of birds. Next key point, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary has in many ways been a model for the sustained use of the conventioned danger listing process. And interdisciplinary relevance and importance. Number one, exhibit a coherent body of knowledge in ecology, wildlife biology, and conservation. And next, review of research and development in the subject. Present study depends on books, journal, magazines, and newspaper of the topic available at Guwahati University and some other Indian university libraries. Next point, international status. Significance of the study in terms of need and aspiration of the society. The importance of the study in the national park system has never been greater than it is today. The study of the situation of national park, objectives to determine what resources are present in order to protect them, manage them, and detect sense in them. current threats, agriculture encroachment by settlers inside the World Heritage Site poses the most significant threat to the property. In left, unchecked the area may be lost in manner large areas in Panbari Range of Manas National Park. These are the current threats. And then invasive non-native alien species, problematic native species. Grassland invention by which species has been a problem since the year 2000, and dams, water management or use hydroelectric power projects. In 2004, excess water was released from the Kurishu Dam, resulting in an unprecedented flood in the Manas Beki River system, washing away parts of the site and killing a large number of wild animals. The release of water from the Kurishu Dam has occurred on several occasions in the last decades, and it's reported to have caused floods in the wider Manas Biosphere Reserve, of which the site forms an integral part. Temperature extremes, storms, flooding, climate change, and severe weather events. The impact of climate change are already visible in the form of erratic weather patterns, frequency and intensity of occurrence of natural disasters such as floods, landslides, and drying up of waterlands. And next, methodology. This is a very important key points. Methodology. The data used in preparing the topic is the primary and secondary data. The primary data are collected from the people living nearby Bhuyapara and Basbari range, and also forest securing guard in both Bhuyapara and Basbari range. And number three, the secondary data are collected from government documents, periodical, books, newspapers, and internet. These data are collected and analyzed in systematic order. Expected outcome: forests and the products they provide are universally required for the continuation of human society as we know it. Conclusion: few countries have all the answers to all the issues faced. Thus, there exists a real need for international cooperation. Loss of forests, resources transcends national boundaries and affects the entire planet. Given this, the roles of various agencies become vitally important in order to minimize any potential downside and to maximize the upside. Governments, NGOs, intergovernmental panels, and the like must work more closely in order to resolve the pressing issues facing the forest. In many cases, a collaborative approach will provide a solution which is more acceptable to all parties and more robust than a solution that is developed unilaterally. Save Manas and save our biodiversity. Thank you.